Hi guys, if you want to put text over an image in Google Docs like this or like this, then let's see how to do it. In order to put text over an image in Google Docs, first of all, go to the Insert section and then click on Drawing and then click on New option. And now to add the image in the drawing panel, simply click on this image option, and to upload the image, simply click on the browse button and then select the image which you want to insert. For the example, I want to insert this image, so I'll simply select it and then click on open button. And now the image will be inserted into your drawing panel. You can see. Now to put text over the image, simply click on this text box option and then click on the image, and now the text box will appear. Here simply type the text which you want to add. So for the example, I want to type the text, our first trip together. Here it is. Once you type the text, whatever you want to put over the image, to customize it, simply select the text, and to change the font style, simply click on the font option here and select whatever font you want. Let's say I want this font, so I'll simply select it and the font style will be changed. To increase the font size, simply click on this three dot icon, and from here you can change the font size. You can see. Let's say I want to keep it this big. If you want to make the text bold, italic or underline, you can do all the customization from here. I want to keep my text just bold, so I will keep it like that. And to change the text color, simply click on this text color option, and from here select whatever text color you want. Let's say I want to keep my text red, so I'll select the red color. If you want to keep your text in the center, simply click on this align option and select center option. And now the text will be in the center. And to move and place your text wherever you want, simply click on the text box and then drag it and place it wherever you want. So this is a simple text, you can see. And in case if you want to make the text attractive by adding the line or shapes like a square or circle, then you can do that from here. For the example, let's say you want to add a rectangle background around the text. So for that, simply go to the shape section here and then click on shapes, and from here select the rectangle shape. Now on the image, simply draw the rectangle. Here it is. Now to change the background of the rectangle shape, simply click on this fill color option, and from here select any background you want. Let's say I want a black background, so I'll simply select the black, and the shape background is black. If you want to change the border color, for that simply click on the border color option here and select whatever color you want. Let's say I want the white border, so I'll simply select the white. And to make the border thicker, simply click on this border weight option. And now from here, select the thickness. Let's say I want to select this size, so I'll simply select it. And now you can see the shape has a white border. You can see. And if you want to increase or decrease the shape size, simply click on the square icon in the corner and drag it, and the shape will be increased. Now to place the shape behind your text, simply click on the shape and drag it. And when you drag it and place it over the text, you can see text has been hidden. We have to put the shape behind the text. So for that, simply right click on the shape and then click on order option and then select the option send backward. And now you can see your shape will be behind the text. Now to adjust the text according to the shape background, simply click on the text box and then adjust according to your requirement. I want to keep it in the middle, so I'll place it. Here it is. If you want to customize the text, simply select the text and then click on this three dot icon, and from here you can do any customization you want. Let's say here I want to change the text color, so I'll simply click on this text color option, and from here I will select different text color. Let's say I want to select the green color, so I'll simply select the green. Now this green color looks better in the black background. You can see. And once you have made all the customization and added the text, whatever you want over the image, simply click on save and close option. And now the image with text will be inserted into your Google Docs page. If you want to increase or decrease the image size, simply click on the image and drag it from the corner, and the size will be decreased. If you want to increase the size, again drag it from the corner and the size will be increased. You can see. And if you want to move the image and place it wherever you want, for that, simply click on this option in front of text. And now you will be able to move your image wherever you want. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily put text over an image in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.